All right, what's going on in the kitchen here? What did you do?
I got a professional monitor. It's a computer monitor. Can you build it, please?
What? It needs building?
Yeah.
Oh my, I guess I didn't sign up for this when we got married, but whatever. I hope this is the only tool that I need for it because that's all I'm prepared to do. Just in case you were wondering, this is the exact make and model of this product. And the manufacturer, in their infinite wisdom, included this manual here. So according to this one, it's hardly a manual, but you step the square one with the round one, and then I guess it's done. And then number 2, you wind up the clock. And then number 3, you grab that little tag and take it off or pull it sideways or whatever that is. And then whatever you do, don't do number 4. No, that's an unnumbered step there. Apparently, don't do that, which is exactly the same image as number 3. So I can't really see any difference between step 3 and step 4. Yeah, so this is garbage. So just in case you don't want to get brain damaged here with the retarded instructions of the manufacturer, this is what you do. This comes with 2 screws here. Nice. And has 2 tabs here. The 2 tabs go there. There are no other space or place for it to go. There. Now you take your grandfather's rusty piece of screwdriver that looks like this and don't cross thread it. And do this with the second one, why not? So once this is mounted, you'll be able to turn this down and pivot it up like this. Next thing, the base also has a screw in it that does not need a screwdriver because you'll be able to spin it this way. Yes, you could spin it with a screwdriver, but you don't have to. Likewise, you have a tab here. You have a location for the tab. Put 2 and 2 together, like so, and on it, and force it. There we go. Force the 2 of them together. There, it's catching. Nice. And alas, the monitor is standing on its stand. It can tilt, apparently, that many degrees, and it's apparently height adjustable. What this one doesn't tell you is you need to pull out the pin, but don't pull out the pin. Yeah, pull out the pin. It needs excessive amount of force to pull it out. Just trust me on this one. And then it's height adjustable, and it's gonna stay at whatever height you set it to, as long as it's within that and that distance there, depending on the exact model there. So this is excessive amount of force to remove, and this is ridiculously garbage. Other than that, hopefully the monitor isn't gonna bother the viewer's eye. So I don't know how good the actual monitor is, but this was garbage.